Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. Understanding the various charging options is key to maximizing your vehicle's electric range and fuel efficiency. We'll cover everything from standard household outlets to rapid public chargers, ensuring you know exactly how to keep your Outlander PHEV powered up and ready for any journey. Let's dive into the details of each charging method. For everyday use, Level 1 and Level 2 AC charging are your primary options. Level 1 uses a standard 120-volt outlet, taking about 10 to 15 hours for a full charge. Level 2, using a 240-volt dedicated charging station, significantly reduces this to around 4 to 5 hours. Both are excellent for overnight charging at home or for public AC stations. When you need to charge quickly on the go, DC fast charging is your best friend. This method uses a specialized CH-ADE-MO connector, commonly found at public charging stations. It can rapidly charge your Outlander PHEV battery from empty to 80% capacity in approximately 25 minutes. This speed makes it ideal for longer trips or when time is of the essence. To get the most out of your Outlander PHEV battery, adopt smart charging habits. Regular charging helps maintain battery health. Consider using charging schedules to benefit from lower electricity rates during off-peak hours. Always ensure your charging port is clean before plugging in. While convenient, try not to always charge to 100% unless you need the full range for a longer journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.